Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change display brightness on Samsung Galaxy Book. And to do this, first there's a few different options to change the brightness on this laptop. First one is to click on the start, then go for that gear icon and open settings. Now select system, and inside display you can adjust the brightness with this slider right here. Other way to do it is using our keyboard, and it's much faster way. Let me rotate the camera just to show you. So take a look on your keyboard, and here we want to click and hold Fn button, and then select click and hold F3, and it will increase the brightness. If you want to decrease it, then hold F2 while holding Fn function button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.